So the studies that were recently published in the Journal of Hepatology is showing a new mechanism of liver cancer development and progression. So in our studies, we are showing that there are certain components of this risk complex that goes up during the progression of the liver cancer. So these two genes, AEG1 and SND1, these are both overexpressed in liver cancer. The way AEG1 works is it binds with other proteins, and by that way it facilitates the development of different complexes. It is very similar to a scaffold that is used in regular construction work. So the scaffold is necessary to build the foundation from which you build other structures that serves the function. But if you don't have the scaffold, you cannot basically build the total complex. SND1 is an enzyme, and there are chemical inhibitors of SND1, and we have shown that if you inhibit SND1, it can inhibit the growth of liver cancer cells. So in our studies, we showed that both AEG1 and SND1 are important for liver cancer. But AEG1 is a bit difficult molecule to inhibit because of its structural organization, but SND1 is more amenable because it's an enzyme. So it would help us to screen small molecule libraries to develop SND1 inhibitors, and by that way we can probably develop newer drugs for liver cancer and also other cancers in which SND1 is overexpressed. Definitely the next step would be to find clinically relevant SND1 inhibitors, and also to see if there are other cancer indications where similar phenomenon is observed or not. We definitely know that AEG1 is overexpressed in a lot of other cancers, and there are very few reports about SND1 in the literature. There is only one report where it has shown that SND1 is overexpressed in colorectal cancer. But our initial studies show that it can be overexpressed in many other different cancers also. So understanding what it does, and to be honest, apart from its involvement in the risk complex, SND1 might have a lot of other different functions within the cells by interacting with other proteins. So we are also trying to elucidate those findings, those newer aspects of SND1 function.